Okay, problem number 14. Solve for x. The polynomial is 6x squared plus 15x minus 21. So in this case, we're going to learn how to factor. So when you're factoring, you're going to find the GCF first, and then you're going to factor with what's called the AC method, and then you're going to solve for x, because that's what we're asked to do. I have 6x squared plus 15x minus 21 equals 0. And then I know my GCF is 3, so I take out a 3. And I'm left with 2x squared plus 5x minus 7 equals 0. So I get rid of my 3, and I'm going to factor out just that polynomial. So 2x squared plus 5x minus 7 equals 0. So right here we're going to do the AC method. So we're using the coefficients in the trinomial. So A equals 2, B equals 5, and C equals negative 7. So to do the AC method, you're going to say that it's the factor of A times C. And then you're going to try and find the sets that are going to give you the sum of B. So in this case, I have 2 times negative 7, and I get negative 14. So now I need to find the factors of negative 14 to give me my B, which is 5. So I have, I have 1 and 14 and 2 and 7. I know the smaller number is the negative, and the larger number is going to be positive. So when I add these numbers together, I'm going to try and get the B. So when I add negative 1 and 14, I get 13. And then I add negative 2 and 7, that equals 5. So I'm now going to expand my center term. So here's how it goes. I'm now going to use this equation right here and these two factors to expand my center term. So I have 2x squared minus 2x plus 7x minus 7 equals 0. So these numbers became negative 2x and positive 7x. So now I group 2x squared minus 2x, 7x minus 7, and then I factor, take out a 2x, and I'm left with x minus 1. Take out a 7, it's a positive 7, I'm left with x minus 1. When these two groups are the same, that's your first linear factor, x minus 1, and then whatever's left over, which is 2x plus 7, that's your second linear factor. So now we're going to solve for x. Both of these equations can be set equal to x. So x minus 1 equals 0. 2x plus 7 equals 0. Solve for x here, plus 1, x equals 1. Solve for x here, minus 7, 2x equals negative 7. Divide both sides by 2. X equals negative 7 halves. So your solutions are x equals 1, negative 7 halves.